Hello and welcome to my video. So today I just wanted to be able to share with everyone that is currently going to online school and anyone in the future how we do microbiology slides and dissections in lab. I know that currently everyone is at home, so you're not able to do this at the moment, so I thought this might be really helpful for those of you who really need it. And I spent a lot of time taking pictures and notes on all of this stuff in undergrad at my biology classes at Georgia Southern University, and I feel like this will really help out a lot of you. And since you don't have microscopes at home, because the cheapest ones are like $5,000, and all the samples, I really feel like this will be helpful. So starting out, I show some chlorophyll and yeast, and then you can actually see them moving in the time lapses that I took. And I just included a lot of the pictures of the chlorophyll that I was able to video and take pictures of using my microscope in class. And basically all of the stuff that's on here, if you would like to pause the video and look at it and look up what it is, I did at the time of my lab course write down and take pictures of all the different slides that I was actually viewing, but I'm not exactly sure where that document is because I saved it on my Georgia Southern email in my Google Docs. After you leave school, they remove your account. So if anyone has not downloaded everything to their personal files and has it on a school account, I advise you do that, just from my experience. But basically, all the stuff is pretty much, I would say, things that your lab professors in microbiology and biology in general courses will be asking for and expecting you to know how to identify them, such as like the shapes, like rods, bacilli, and the cocci, which is like round, and like chains and all that kind of stuff. So also, there's like gram stain slides, and purple is positive and negative is red. So make sure you know that. Also took a bunch of slide pictures of things like the pine cone and the reproductive system of that. We have some like plant cells, and you can see the nucleus in those, in the cell wall, and all that kind of stuff. And it's really cool and really interesting, and I'm glad I was able to take such good pictures of my slides. I know it might look like some of them are cut off on the edges, or it's a little darker on the edges, but if you ever try to take a picture of a microscope with your camera while you're looking through it, it is one of the hardest things to do. You have to stabilize your arms. Like, I literally put my elbows on the table and hold my phone camera to the lens, and then you have to like slowly move it as slow as you can so that it lines up with the like field of view. And if you don't take it exactly at the right second, you move just slightly and the whole thing is gone. So I do apologize about a couple of those, but once you get good at it, it's pretty easy. And one of the main things about the microscope that is so frustrating is being in the correct like view magnification. So some of these, it looks like really far away, and that's because I was probably at like 10 times instead of 100 times view. So excuse that. But other than that, and everything going on right now with the coronavirus pandemic, which is why I'm posting this video, because I have so much free time. I hope this is helpful and I can can totally be quiet and just let y'all pause and go through this video, and hopefully it helps. If you have any questions about the slides themselves, or if you can't figure out what it is, and I probably can, if I ever find my notes, please comment and let me know, and I'll be happy to look it up for you, because I know it's so difficult right now, especially with not being able to go to your lab courses because I'm in pharmacy school, and trying to do a blood pressure on your dog is not fun. So yeah, just leave me a comment, let me know, and I'll be happy to help. I hope this video helps you. Later on in the video, there are some dissections. I have the flower, starfish, pig, fetal pig, oh my gosh, it's like a clam, but it's called something else. And then the grasshopper, a crawfish, and other things. So if you need dissections, those are more at the end of the video. But yeah, good luck studying, guys. Study smart, study hard. Make sure you get it all down. If you want, click the button at the bottom, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Give me a comment. Alright, y'all. Study hard.